She was my girlfriend back then. She used to support me financially. Later, I discovered that she was seeing other men. I started withdrawing from her gradually. She didn't know when I left the country. I really don't know why she came to see me. Because Mama has warned her and her mother to stay away from me.
My dear. You see, no one believed my son would come back in a big way. You know people can be funny. And women were just all over him. But don't worry. I am here to handle their madness. Oh? I'm here for you. Come on, open this gate! Stupid people! Who is that? Come on, open this gate! Where is that your gate, man? The man! Yes, open this gate! Open the gate. Okay, man. Useless people! Onye?
No.
Ifeanyi, it will never be well with you, Ifeanyi.
Well,
it will never be well with you.
Nay.
Come on, well, look at them.
Foolish you.
Look at you. Wicked people.
Hey.
Mama, who is this one?
Rap, go there, let her finish her ranting. Come
You
on.
don't know me again like Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi, look at you. You traveled abroad and left my daughter that was pregnant for you to suffer. And she died. She died while giving birth to your bastard son. Ifeanyi, my only daughter, my only eyes, and you think it will be well with you, and you think you have peace. Never, Ifeanyi, never.
You have no right.
What is going on
Come
here?
into my compound and be shouting like a mad woman, constituting nuisance. Huh? My mother here was sending money to your daughter.
Iliro.
Huh? Come to think of it, it was your useless daughter that forced herself on me. I'm also aware that you were enjoying the money I sent her and the ones my mother was sending to her during her pregnancy. So, if you are hungry, well, we have food. Egusi or bono, or her, which one? Tell me. Whatever you want, say it. In fact, Mama, 20K.
Mbameme 25.
Fine.
Punish you.
I don't want
that money.
noise, yes.
God punish you with that money.
Punish you, go.
Ifeanyi, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. At my Igbe, if you don't do what you're supposed to do, if you don't do what you're meant to do, Mbanya give him. Ikiliya. Mbanya give him to watch.
Ah, shut up. Will you get out of my house? Look at this 419 woman. Did I kill your daughter? Get out of my house. I said get out.
I should get out.
Are you mad?
Ifeanyi, it's for you.
Eh?
Ifeanyi, Mbanya give him Kekeliye.
Get out of here.
Nonsense.
Can you imagine?
Nonsense.
I am ready for you people now. Do you think it's all defining? I'm not going to go on a billion.
Amaro.
I can buy this entire village and feed everybody for the next 50 years.
But what?
Mama, I need to set an example with this woman. What nonsense?
Can't we just have peace in this house? What is going on here? Not only Rose. Where is she?
Forget her. Forget. We will have peace after the fight. Oh? Don't worry. I'm here.
I need some explanation.
Why are they to room on one Igbo? After you're on a 1,000 naira note. Keji after Bilego.
Over my dead body will Ifeanyi become the equal of this village. Mama, if you love yourself, stay out of my business. Am I a fool? After all I suffered for him, he came back to this village to show his wealth. He even came back with another woman.
Mom Rose, This river that you're about to swim, are you sure you will come out of it alive? I will tell you, leave it for God to fight the battle.
Mama, that was the same thing you told Mazi when he took my father's money and property. You see this one? Leave God out of it. I can handle it myself. I can!
Okay, so what wrong? I am going to bed with God. Stay here without him.
I am not a fool. Why would he treat me like that? Why?
Everything you said will be done according to our custom. You don't have to go to any shrine to make any case, so?
You have to marry my daughter. Bury her and mourn her as your wife. If you really want to experience peace in this community.
How much? Egone, how much would it cost to handle all that you've mentioned? Because I want this whole thing to end in peace and not threats. Huh? I've agreed to do all you want. So leave the threats. I'm not afraid of any shrine. I just want this whole thing to end in peace. Even if it will cost me 10 million naira, 20 million. Egabro my problem. Any Malaysian, any money. Money talking, bullshit walking. What am I saying? I'm back now and I don't want trouble. So I want to have peace of mind.
Odoguna Malaysia. Oku aburu oku ego. It is not about money. Ogoma, you are aware that even before your daughter's death, he was always taking care of her. Mana, Biko, I want to ask, what about the baby? I am sure he is Ifeanyi's son. I'm sure of that. What about him?
Ichie, I'm not in a hurry for all that. Let's handle this situation first. First things first. Later we can do a DNA test to confirm paternity. If the baby is mine, I know what to do. Even if the baby is not mine, I will still give my support in raising of the child. The guy brought the problem.
Hello, Mama? What?
What happened to my daughter? Oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Which hospital is that?
My elders, we have to be on our way. There's an emergency.
Oh,
People, eh?
Oh Jesus. Oh, God.
This is for you, Jidenka. Take it. Everything will be fine. You got to go. You don't... This is for you. I'll be back. Eh? My elders.
Ugoma.
Please, keep your eyes on her. Let nobody come in here without my consent.
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You can't believe this. Finally, they brought my daughter back to my hospital. I don't know, I think it's food poisoning. Yeah, so please inform the commissioner of police. Let him send down his men to this place. It might get very ugly. Yeah, you can come with them. If you can, beautiful.
Nurse, Nurse.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day.
Good day. Where's my daughter?
Your daughter.
Yes, where's my daughter? Nurse, where's my daughter?
The doctor is still.
Wait.
Ma'am, please, just... Will you get out of my room? I want to see my daughter.
Honey, calm down. Let me...
Calm down what? I want to see my daughter.
We need to see the doctor right now.
Madam, please, you need to take.
Get out of my room. I want to see my
I don't want
daughter.
to lose my job. I
We
cannot
need to
do
see the
that.
doctor. What nonsense job are you talking about? Get out of the way!
I cannot let you.
I said get out.
Open this door!
Get out of my way.
Sonia. Finally. You're here.
What?
You want to see your doctor? The one you poisoned. And you left her to die.
Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter?
Just pray she survives.
Oh, damn it. You do no shit.
Oh, wait a minute. What is going on here? Sonia. What is going on?
That's Lillian's father. My ex.
What? How? I don't understand. This same guy. You again. What? First it was Rose, now Sonia. Why are you following me around? Why are you tormenting my life? What's this?
Stefan, do you know you are? Can you just take it cool and calm down?
Why?
Do you know you're making noise here? If I will advise, take it smooth. Take it calm, because you're making noise actually.
You must be very stupid to say such a thing to me. Are you mad? Am I calling a bobo?
A piece of advice.
Huh? Mama, I'm Malay. I'm Billion. Eh? Money talking, bullshit walking. I will buy this hospital right now with you in it and I will burn you down. In Ayala.
You won't like me.
Huh?
You won't like me.
What did you just say?
Arinze, where is my daughter?
What is the meaning of this, Sonia? Why did you tell me you were
Sonia, my daughter, I want
intending
to
with
see
this
my
fool?
daughter.
Are you aware that this idiot has been tormenting my life? Huh? What rubbish! Look at this dirty place!
Sonia, what you did was terrible. You've been charged for kidnapping, for denying him his daughter for 7 good years. Well, I'm not pressing this case further.
Thank you.
Well, all I want is for my daughter to know that I'm the father. I don't want to be raised by a strange father. No.
Do you want her back in your life?
With all due respect, no. I'm good with her. I just want my daughter to know me as a father. Yes, no, sir.
She's awake.
She's awake now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank God. No. Excuse me, please.
It's okay. Barrister, for what you just did now, I will bless you.
Well, that would be kind of you.
Allow me to introduce myself to you. My name is Ifan Yobogo. Anyi Malay. Anyi Bullion Van. Anyi Billion. Money talking, bullshit walking. I will show you love. As a matter of fact, let's start from somewhere. How about 5 million naira for a recharge card? So that you can have enough credit to make your calls.
Wow, that would be very kind of you.
Good. Go ahead. Come with me to my car. I will show you why they call me Anyi Bullion Van. Okay?
Wow, that would be kind
Nabia. Money talking, bullshit walking. Very good man.
So how do you feel now?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Well, anyway, you will get much better. Okay? And there are some drugs you need to be taking. Okay? Your mom will give you those drugs. Lillian, can you remember me?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Let me show you something. See this? Now this is you when you were 2 years old. This is us. Okay?
Okay.
I'm your father.
You.
Yes.
My father.
Yes.
Oh,
Mommy!
Baby, how are you?
I'm fine.
How are you feeling?
Mommy, I want to go home.
My love will go home. Okay? But first of all, how are you?
I'm fine. But who is this?
Is your daddy?
My daddy.
Yes. This whole drama isn't funny any longer. You have to reconcile with the Rose girl. Whatever it is, settle with her. We would have stayed back in Malaysia. Yeah, my ex is on my neck and I can't lose my daughter.
Come on, baby. Running away won't solve anything. Look, Rose was dating Dr. Arize behind me. I found out exactly when Ujunwa was making advances at me. She denied everything. She said there was nothing between the both of them. But I kept wondering, what kind of doctor drops his patient at home? See, don't worry, okay? Just let it be. And Billion will handle it.
I hope so.
Baby, you look tired. Come and rest, okay? Let's go upstairs. Don't worry. It's okay. Report to the task. Alright? Money talks and bullshit ones. It's okay, my love.
My love, everything is almost ready. Yes, the women that we cook. Yeah. The woman has been settled. We have paid for the canopies and the band. Good. I believe the rest you say you take care of.
Papa, not to worry. My husband is going to build a very big mansion for you.
Yes.
After our wedding.
My love, please. My people are very wicked. I don't want them to kill me before my time. Please. Sonia, have you forgotten how your mother died with this small house? Not to talk of a mansion here. They will kill me, please.
Mazi, there's no problem. All your problems are over. You know, go. Like I said, I will come with my people for Imego, an introduction. Next week, I will shake up this town. Go and tell all the wicked people to get ready. Because Muabuani Malay will make them dance Agaba here. Yes. All Muabuani Malay. Any bullion van. Any billion. Money talking, bullshit walking. Baby Kaipo. Mazi. Hold on to this one, Makandogi.
Hey.
Let's go, baby.
All this one.
There is more where that came from.
My dear.
No, sister.
Dalo, name. Thank you.
Like you hinted. Well, you're here because of Ifan.
Oh yeah.
But I want you to know that my daughter and I have nothing to do with Ifan anymore. We don't talk about him, we don't have anything to do with him. Manaluni Ifeanyi Kpokapa. It's only God that can judge. We
have come in peace. The only thing that I know does not have solution is death.
Nai, you're here to talk about death to me. Eh? For 5 years, Ifeanyi abandoned me. Ojure said, he didn't even ask how I was doing. All he was doing was showering money and gifts on his baby mama. And now you're here to talk about peace. What if I had died? Eh?
You see? But you did not die. So please, let's forget about the past. Oh?
Forget about the past. Nai, if Ifeanyi had forgotten about the past, he would have been here to face me as a man. Bombano, Oziuno.
Hiding behind their shadows. Ifre, Mwambiko, calm down. Calm down.
Mama, please don't tell me to calm down. Because you can see that what Ifeanyi is doing is not fair now. Sending these elders to us, hiding behind their shadows. Is that fair? Nobody should tell me anything about peace because I don't want to hear it. I don't.
You see, we come in peace. You gotta go. But it's obvious you don't want to accept peace. We'll be on our way. Eliza, please, talk to your daughter. Let her come back to her right senses.
Senses here, Fugon. She now has the wrong senses.
Talk to her.
God will judge this case.
See now, Ifeanyi is wicked. He couldn't even come here.
Don't let him upset you now. You've moved on. Don't let him upset you.
Mama, anything about this Ifeanyi gets me so upset.
Siki, don't let him upset you. Doctor.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Bia. You're welcome.
Yes. Where is Rose? She called me and I couldn't even hear her very well. Kebon, what's going on?
Is it not Kedafia, Ifeanyi? Elders from his family were here today.
Yeah, what do they want?
He sent them to ask for peace. Rose was so angry. That Ifeanyi, he's very lucky he didn't come himself. All hell would have broken loose.
So, but where is she now?
Rose.
Yes.
Before I answer that question, I would like to ask you my own question. Don't you love my daughter? No, Kamalano. You have been of tremendous help to this family. Trained her through university single-handedly. Today, my daughter is a graduate. I want to ask, did you train her for another man to come and marry her?
Baby, please take me out of here before I run mad, please.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Okay. You can take her out of. Mom, don't run mad, oh? Don't run mad. Just stay sane. Rose, bye-bye. See you in the evening. Or you can make it morning. Rose! You're not even saying bye-bye to your mother. I was there before, doctor. Doctor. Till whenever. Okay. Bye-bye. Mama. Cardinal. Hey. The righteous must have peace in this life. I am one of them. Okay. Oh, yes.
Like I said, I don't want any mix-up. Today is my big day. Our big day. And I don't want any of my guests to feel embarrassed or any form of mishaps. There are 3 cooling vans here. The one on the left, the ash one, exactly. That one is meant for my friends from all over the world. Boys in Mesifike, boys in Malay, Ndegombute. They are on this ground to shake up things. So, I made sure I filled it up with the best drinks and refreshment from all over the world. Just for them. You got to go? Yes. Then the one on the left, the other 2, are for the villagers. Okay. Any form of refreshment on the face of this earth, be it hot, cold, whatever, is in the cooling vans. For them. For everybody. So please, I don't want any mishaps. You got to go? Today was say golf ma. Come on and Mayfair. Malay is going to shake this town today. You got to go? My money is talking. Bullshit should be working. You got to go?
Yes.
Baby.
My love, you don't need to bother yourself. My father can take care of everything.
You are not dressed. Everybody is waiting for you. No?
Let them wait. Oh, Doguna Malay and Mayfair. I'm taking my time.
Okay.
Today is my day. I don't want to be rushed. Mayfair.
Odoguna Malay.
Any bullion van.
Okay.
Any mpekasi.
Odogu.
Any mpiampia.
Odoguna Malay.
Any namesifike. Any billion.
Odogu.
When my money is talking, bullshit should be working.
Odoguna Malay.
You gotta go. Tell them to wait.
Okay, they should wait.
What's the meaning of this? I didn't invite you here.
Hello.
Hey! Hello!
Hey!
What's that? Ichie!
Hey!
Hello.
Ichie!
Hello.
Wait.
Odogu.
Ichie! Can you see me? Can you see me? You can see me? My love. What is it? Baby, let's go and change. I want to change. Let me change.
Papa, what is happening?
Let me.
Papa, what is it?
Let me change.
Odogu na Malaysia, how long?
We won.
Oh, Odogu na Malaysia.
Rose reported him to the EOG shrine.
We won.
Hey!
She went naked before the shrine and wept. If I treated her bad, we have to take him to the shrine.
No, we're not going there. I called my prophet. He's on his way. He will be fine. Sonia?
Let's not go back to Nigeria.
This is not the time for all we need to do is take him to the shrine and let us beg Rose to forgive him. That is the only way that Odogu Malaysia, if he will be okay. That is the best thing we can do now. Bikonu, let us go there and you'll be alright.
Let my prophet confess. Bikonu.
Odogu na Malaysia.
Yes.
Amen.
Yes. Olio. Yeah. Yeah. Do not be afraid. I have come. Hey. Yes. Yes. I am a major spiritualist sent from heaven to destroy evil manipulations. I have destroyed shrines, you see, and coven. This is a small case. Hey! Onyawani. Rapokana mnok. Yeah. Oh! Oli!
Ayo! Sito!
Mama, it has happened, oh. Mama, they have made him mad. People are wicked. What is happening? Mama, and who is mad? Ifeanyi is mad. Ifeanyi is mad. As I speak to you, Ifeanyi is in the dustbin. Even his mom and that is a Malaysian wife. They are there begging him, crying that he should come back home. Ifeanyi has refused to listen to them. Mama, Megan and Kate as well. Hey, you mean Ifeanyi is mad? You saw him? Hey! Mama said Ifeanyi is mad. Hey! Who will not take my grandson for me? My daughter Ujunwa is dead. Now the father is mad. What am I going to do? Mama, it's okay. Hey! Stop quiet. Even the boy you're talking about is not Ifeanyi's son. Yes, Ujunwa was already pregnant before seeing Ifeanyi. But because she saw Ifeanyi was about to travel out of the country, she decided to lie that Ifeanyi is the father. Even the DNA test proved that Ifeanyi is not the father. Hey! Hey! Okay. If Ifeanyi is not the father of Samuel, then who is the father? Who? Talk to me now.
Were you sleeping with her?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Please
don't do this. Don't do this, please. We were getting together before I met you, and Ujunwa never loved me.
Ma? Where are you going, my flowers?
Mama, a friend of mine gave birth to the hospital, so I'm going to visit her. I want to give her food. Yes, ma.
Okay, ma. Just go and come back on time before it starts raining, alright?
Okay, Mama, I won't be long.
Don't be long.
No problem, ma. Bye.
Oh, Mali Chang. Hey.
What's going on here? Why are you in a hurry?
You will not understand. I need to get home there. Please.
But I told you. I don't like intimacy. I told you. I know what I want. I want a companion. I need a partner.
Okay. Fine. We'll work it out, okay? But now I need to go.
My love. See what I have for you.
Wow. You know how to get me and him. I love you.
And more is coming your way.
Thank you.
So long as you completely love me.
I love you.
Only me.
You know I love only you.
I know.
Wow.
All right,
Thank
baby.
you.
Let me run off. I'll be back soon. Okay?
So soon.
Yes, don't worry. I'll be back. I want to go and get something.
Stay small now. Just a little while.
Will you miss me?
I'm missing you already.
Oh, give it to me. Give it to me. Mwah. Don't worry. I'll be back before you know it. Oh, baby. I'll be back.
Okay.
Why you refuse to pick my call? You don't even call back. You don't even respond to my messages.
Dr. Rinza, what is it? We are both adults. We've had fun. And we both moved on. So deal with it.
I don't understand what is going on now. I thought we had a relationship.
Must every date end up with a ring? See, look, I don't love you. Yes, I had a bet with my friend Mercy on who will get on your bed first. So I won. Game over. You can go. But you are still here.
That was why when I met you the first time, I never raised the issue of relationship. I was scared. I don't want to be hurt by anyone. Please.
Can I go now? Please.
Dad, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Come.
Rose, it was not his fault. He was lonely. He needed companionship, and of course, that stupid girl deceived him and manipulated him. Is it because of that you now want to turn your back on him? Remember, he gave up everything to see you through school. It's a mistake. It could happen to anybody. Stop crying. If you need to forgive him. All right? Forgive him and move on.
Mama, I just wish all these things can just go away. When am I going to have peace? And to think that I'm really beginning to like him and all these things are happening. I'm confused. I don't know.
Don't be. God will sort it out for you. Just take it easy. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing good comes easy. Nothing. Calm down. You know what? Bedebe.
Do you know what Ifeanyi did to me? Is it because I did not die? Get out of our house! Get. Oh, Mama, let her leave before I do something she will not like.
Rose, take it easy. Alright? Take it easy. You do not repay evil with evil.
Mama, don't tell me to take it easy. You have no idea what I went through, all for Ifeanyi. His wicked mother even disgraced me when I went to their house.
Please, I beg you. In the name of God, please. Please forgive him. And forgive us. They said, if we did not forgive him, that he's going to run mad and die.
Let him die! I died many years ago. You don't even want to know all the things I did for Ifeanyi. Yet he had the mind to leave me for you. Another woman. Just...
Do you know that when your husband dumped my daughter, I almost lost my only child? But doctor here, he's the beacon of hope. He's a beacon of hope. He trained my daughter through school, and today she's a graduate, a lawyer. Need I remember what your mother-in-law did to me? She insulted me. Now today, where's our golden son? Mad on the streets. Golden son. Look at it. Nobody knows tomorrow. Now look at what you're going through. Huh. I have anything to say.
Sonia, we meet again. Life is a seed. See where we are today. What have you gained? Absolutely nothing. I've not forgotten how you wiped me with gain out of my own son's house. You, did you ever think that someday you will kneel down like this to beg? Look at you. Imagine you. You never remember that a day of reckoning like this will come. No.
Mama, please forgive me. Forgive me, Mama, please. I'm sorry.
I'm ashamed of you.
Arinze. It's fine if it is in your heart. Please.
It's okay. Let's forgive her.
Darling. Darling. amamae. Agame sorry ibe cheze na agame sorry ibe mugaribo. Yo amamae. Agame sorry ibe cheze na agame sorry ibe mugaribo. Agame sorry ibe cheze na agame sorry ibe mugaribo. Yo abamae. Agame sorry ibe cheze na agame sorry ibe mugaribo. God, agame sorry ibe cheze na agame sorry ibe mugaribo. Agame sorry ibe cheze na agame sorry ibe mugaribo.
I reversed everything I said against Ifeanyi. Thank you for the judgment you brought upon him. I was hurt, and I came here crying for justice, and you heard me. Please, I ask for mercy. Eke, Orie, Nkwo, Afo. Please, reverse anything you must have done upon him. Please.
Close.
Ifeanyi. Papa.
Where am I? Let's go. Close.
Thank you, one more.
Rose,
Thank
Rose,
you.
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Mama Rose, thank you. Elisa,
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Papa, you're well.
What happened to me?
Thank you. Long story. Long story. One more. Nai, thank you. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Elisa.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi. Mama, what is going on? Ifeanyi. What happened?
Olubego, the boy have offended many people. That is why the blood of the people is fighting him. I see. Olugo, Olugo, Abo, Olugo. Oh, to one batch, every number. I'm up on my power, I'm up on my body. Wow. Now, would you not buy the one on Naku? Yeah, I'm a man. I got my sorry, but you're not Get up, please.